Hi everyone, this is your fourth lesson in grade 4 social science. Today's chapter is Our Culture and Heritage. Today we are going to learn about food. We have a variety of cuisines in India. Many types of curries, sweets, desserts, snacks, pickles, chutneys, etc. make Indian cuisines rich in variety and taste. Kashmir Pulao. Kashmir Pulao is a popular Indian dish from Jammu and Kashmir. To prepare Kashmir Pulao, saffron is added to rice. It is garnished with fried onions, walnuts, and cashew nuts. Ganvi. Ganvi is a Gujarati dish. It is served as a tea time snack. This dish is made using gram flour and curd and is garnished with chopped coriander and grated coconut. Next, dal pati kurma. Pati is like a bread. It is cooked in the desert areas of Rajasthan and served with a dal or lentil. It does not get spoiled quickly in the heat of the desert and also needs less water for preparation. Kurma is a delicacy prepared by cooking coarsely ground wheat with ghee and sugar. Next, Puran Poli. Puran Poli is a popular sweet from Maharashtra. It looks like a chapati prepared using maida dough and filled with the stuffing of cooked chana dal mixed with jaggery and sugar. It is often served with warm milk or ghee. Puran Poli is served on festivals like Holi. Rice Payasam. Rice Payasam is a South Indian sweet. This sweet is prepared by cooking rice with coconut milk and adding jaggery to it. It is then garnished with green cardamom powder and fried cashew nuts and raisins. Idiyappam. Idiyappam is a dish from Tamil Nadu and some areas of Karnataka. It looks like noodles. Idiyappam is prepared by mixing rice flour with hot water, ghee and salt. It is then made into dough which is put in an instrument to give it the form of noodles. The noodles are steamed for 5 to 10 minutes. Litti Chokha. Litti Chokha is a popular dish in Bihar. Litti is prepared from roasted chickpea flour. It is then stuffed in dough, boiled and lightly fried. Litti is served with chokha, which is prepared from mustard vegetables like potatoes and tomatoes. Fried onions and spices are mixed with chokha. Tukpa. Tukpa is a noodle soup usually served with meat. It is popular in Sikkim, Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. There are different varieties of tukpa. Doi March. Doi March is a traditional Bengali dish prepared using fish and curd. Different types of fish are used to prepare this dish. Next, we are going to learn about languages. Different languages are spoken in different parts of India. The oldest languages of India are Sanskrit and Tamil. There are many languages spoken in India, but the Constitution of India recognizes only 22 languages as official languages. Hindi, English, and Urdu are major languages in India. Some of the official Indian languages are state and language. Gujarat, Gujarati, Punjab, Punjabi, Manipur, Manipuri, Goa, Konkani, Kerala, Malayalam, Tamil Nadu, Tamil, Odisha, Oriya, Assam, Assamese, West Bengal, Bengali, Bihar, Maithili, Andhra Pradesh, Telugu, Maharashtra, Marathi, Karnataka, Kannada. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you practice zone. Refer your concept book in the page number of 51 and 52. Those who have concept book complete in that, others use your notebook. Practice zone 2. Write the name of your favorite traditional Indian dish. Write the name of your favorite traditional Indian dish. Practice zone 3. First question. Which language do you speak at home? Which language do you speak at home? Second one. Unjumble the jumbled languages spoken in India and write the name of the state in which that language is spoken. Next, refer your workbook in the page number of 40 and 41 and answer the following questions. Those who have workbook complete in that, others use your notebook. Question number 8. How can we say that there is a variety in India cuisines? How can we say that there is a variety in Indian cuisines? Question number 10. Why do you think we have so many official languages in India? Why do you think we have so many official languages in India? I hope that you all enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you. Hi everyone.